indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control, multi-zone. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.